Looking for a wow factor to build in your next project at your home or office? Well, look at this. Quick Curve Plate is a curvable, look at this, a curvable wood product that can help bring your ideas, your dreams to reality. First, take your box of Quick Curve Plate. The 2x4 version comes with 12 2-foot sections in a box, totaling 24 feet. Now the 2x6 is half as much, totaling 12 feet in a box. Next, slide the tongue and groove ends together to make it longer and lock it together by hammering in the provided wooden dowels and pre-drilled holes. Now you are ready to bend it to your desired curve. To lock Quick Curve Plate and make it rigid, nail or staple through the pivot areas here. Quick Curve Plate is compatible with typical wood studs. To attach them, just nail or screw through the plate like you normally would. We also carry pressure-treated versions for when the Quick Curve Plate is resting directly on your slab. And that's all it takes. Now take your dreams and make it happen. We'd love to see the final result. Tag us on social media or send us a picture. Nifty products, making your next DIY project nifty.